Put a little squirt here, squirt there. You understand me? Now she got to get the brush ready. Let the brush get used to her face and rub it in there. Because that's like, I guess, that's not foundation. That's like, I guess it's the roots. I guess you would call it roots. Because now she's about to lay down the foundation. Now she tapping that foundation on there right now. Tap that on there. Tap it on there real nice. Tap it. See, look at her. Now she going with the double. That's the double up, right? I know. You and I both know that you got to double up. There's the double up. Go up under the eye with it. And get that forehead. Put the heart right on the forehead. Love is love. But you see how she's applying it? She's not putting too much pressure on there. She's putting just enough because she knows that it's going to even out and it's going to be right up under the, you know, the level of the way she wants it. Winking at me. I see you. I'm looking at you, looking at me. And this is like the top part right here where she put that brown on there. This that flavor I like right here, like the caramel brown. Now this is the brush game. Now watch the brush. Lightly up under the eyes. Lightly, Nikki, lightly. Both eyes. Make you get that eye too. There you go. You did that. And then you see you got the eyebrows. Your eyebrow game is together. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. And voila. Bang. Eyebrow game on point. Status on fleek. You dig? You did that. And what you want to do now is you want to grab this little tiny brush right here and go over the outside of your eyelid so you can give it some real dynamic to it. So when you put those lashes there, see how that flavor go? It's looking like a work of art right now. Nikki, you looking like a work of art right now. Girl, go ahead now. I'm loving this. This is like a painting by Picasso. So fine with the